Auto Insurance Policy 101. Everyone that has a vehicle that is registered to be on the road is required to have an auto insurance policy. But a lot of people still have questions about what kinds of things this covers. Auto insurance policies are broken up into two main sections. The first being your liability coverage, and the second is your physical damage coverage. Part 1 is your liability coverage. This covers both bodily injury and property damage. Think about it like this. If you were in the unfortunate event to get in an auto accident and you didn't have an insurance policy, you would be responsible for paying everything from your car to medical expenses and anything else that could come up. However, if you do have a policy in place, your insurance company is going to pay up to the limits you define on your auto insurance policy on your behalf. This part of your policy is required by law because it protects other drivers on the road, but it's also mutually beneficial for you. This coverage is not subject to any kind of deductible since it's being paid to another party. The second part of your auto insurance policy is comprehensive and collision. With comprehensive, like Forrest Gump says, it happens. Things like hail damage, rocks hitting your windshield, vandalism, if there's an animal in the road, stuff like that. Collision covers things that are a little more within your control. Those are things like hitting a stationary object, an at-fault accident, or a hit and run. Now, when you're looking at comprehensive and collision, remember that the higher your deductible, the lower your premium. But these both need to be included if you're choosing to finance your vehicle. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage is there in case you get in an accident with someone who hits you, who either doesn't have insurance or not enough to cover your repairs and medical bills. Typically, this is going to mirror your liability limits. However, if that's something you want to raise, you have that option. There are 3 other types of coverage options that you have. The first is medical payment coverage. This covers you and anyone else occupying your vehicle. People typically utilize it to cover things like health insurance deductibles and co-insurance in the event of an accident. The second is towing and labor coverage. This provides coverage for services performed at the scene of the vehicle. So this might include things like if you have a flat tire, you need your car to get towed, or you lock your keys in the car. The third type of coverage is rental reimbursement coverage. This is often referred to as extended transportation expense coverage. This is going to provide you with a rental car during the days that your vehicle is either inoperable or in the repair shop. So that's the overview of your auto insurance policy. We can explain any of that in further detail and would love to do that for you. Thank you for your trust, because Harbor is more than just a place, it's what you have in us.